can't seem to make a decision on what to eat? Just like how you couldn't make a decision on what to study at college? Maybe you've been pitching meal ideas to your SO to no avail.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want? What do you want?
Well, Wilpo has a solution for your undecisive butts. Today, we'll be leveraging the Uber Eats platform to automatically decide on an order for us. So, you can't make a decision. Maybe you don't have an indecisive SO, but your mates are just as indecisive. Where's the motivation to cook? Or let alone open the fridge when you full well knowing that it's ill-stocked? Can you really go for another round of instant ramen for the third night in a row? Well, actually, I love instant ramen. Worry not! With this new script I wrote, all you need to do is provide your location and how much you're willing to spend. It's simple. You connect your location via a config to the ordering bot. It picks up the available restaurants at the time, and for your convenience, randomly selects one and extracts its menu. The logic will continue to add menu items into the order until your budget can no longer be allocated. All you have to do is wait for the delivery to show up at your door. However, I did say random, didn't I? So there is the chance that you can get a reasonable meal. But there is also the chance you could end up with a dozen Happy Meal juice boxes. Although, it also lets you discover cuisines you've never tried before. Via Napoli Pizzeria in Surrey Hills. 40. Mickey Mouse Pizza with cheese. Gnocchi Sorrentita, hot salami, and rocket. One rocket for $1. Let's see how effective it is in non-purchase mode when you're just pitching meals. The restaurant is Sky Phoenix Chinese Restaurant Takeover. No? What is it? Kebabs on Glebe.
No.
Pepper Lunch Takeaway.
Oh.
We just had that. The last one resulted in a purchase. Under the hood, it submits the delivery address and then scrapes up a list of restaurants that are within your area and available for delivery at the time you run the program. From that list, it randomly selects a restaurant and returns its menu options, each with its respective price. At this point, the budget we submitted will act as a limit for a loop condition to break. The loop will randomly add an item that is within your budget to your cart, and then looks for another item that is within your remaining budget and continues to do so until there is no more items in the menu that can be purchased with your budget input. With the logic out of the way, let's get to the nosh! I love takeout, as you can probably tell. So of course, we had to run this program a few more times. Click Pizza, Potts Point. We have one Supreme Pizza, one Create Your Pizza here for free. Oh no, I feel like something went wrong. District. You get one salad and one classic dog. It's a quinoa salad.
How much is the salad?
The salad is $21.
Holy shit.
Surrey Hills Dumpling Takeaway.
Okay.
$40. Soy sauce, pork and chives dumplings, mixed dumplings, chili oil, barbecue pork bun, water, vinegar, chili oil, vinegar.
How much is vinegar?
50 cents.
What the?
So you just
A lot of vinegar.
Tonight, I'll be eating vinegar. Legend.